Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification, and that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making, so you would take 2 cups of almonds and soak it for 2 days, changing the water twice a day, after which you would rinse it out as can see here. And then you would get your juicer with the component for crushing and not for juicing. You put it in and you just crush the almonds. So there you see the crushed almonds coming out there. I also added some cranberries to crush as well to add some sweetness. After that, you would get 6 cups of water to use for the 2 cups of almonds. You add some water to the blender, you add the crushed almonds straight, you blend it. And I already strained the first set there in the background, you can see the bottle. Now to the second batch, I added the vanilla essence and the honey, which of course is going to be used for the whole batch, which was 6 cups. But it's just I didn't have space to put it in the initial blending that I did. So I'm there now adding to the second batch, and I'll continue that process of adding water and the almond and blending and straining until I've completed everything. And there you have it, your homemade almond milk.